We just got out on the river, the Allegheny River, making our way downstream. We're camping out on an island tonight. Here we go, folks. Hey. Going under the bridge. Oh, there's a big rock right here. Big rock right here. Well, we're on the last mile of our trek. We just did the biggest rapids on the river in our section. A jet boat flew by us as we were going through the rapids, and we still made it. So you can classify us as awesome now. Up ahead is the Tionesta Bridge. After that, it's our takeout. And we've conquered the mighty Allegheny. Last bridge on our leg. Tionesta Bridge. Shortly after this, going out of the river.